So today we are going to paint a teddy bear. So let's get started. So I'm going to mix the red color in the white color. And we have the dots here that we need to join. And these dots are numbered, so it's going to be easy to join them. So we're going to join all the dots on this perforated line. Let's get started. Let's use the sketch color. From one dot to another along the perforated line. Like this. Now we're going to start painting. So I'm going to use the pink color that we got by mixing the red and the white color. Be very careful. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. And the face. We're going to color along the edges first. Like this. Be very careful. And you can use the thinner part of the brush for the narrow areas. And in order to fill the color, we can use the broader one. Nice and easy. Long strokes. Fill in the color. You can use the thinner brush for the narrow areas or just the thinner part of the brush from the side. And now fill the color in with the thicker part. Now we'll color the rest of the face, the ears, around the eyes, forehead, and the face, around the other eye, and in between the eyes. Alright, so we're done painting the body. Now let's paint the ears and the paws. Now in order to paint this, we're going to keep a little darker pink, for which we can reduce the amount of white color and increase the red one. Nice and easy. Don't smudge the color. And the paws. We're going to use the same color for the paws too as we did for the ears. And the toes. And this area that we left. And now for the nose, we're going to use the brown color. Nice and easy. Stay within the outline. And with the sky blue sketch color, let's color the bow. This is gonna be one attractive teddy bear. And now with the help of the black sketch color, fill the color in the eyes. And I'm also gonna darken the outline. Like this. Under the eye. The ear. The mouth. The face. And the rest of the body. Along with the bow tie. And this little part here. Rest of the face. The paws. And the tummy of the teddy bear. This part. And the paw. And the nose. Darkening the outline makes the picture look brighter. Alright, so our nice looking teddy bear is ready! Yay! Hello friends! Today we're gonna learn a magic trick using the floating wand. Alright, so let's get started. So today we're gonna learn the magic tricks using these props. Let's choose one prop amongst these, and I'm gonna choose the wand. So this is the magic wand. So the first trick that we're gonna learn today is using this magic wand. And as you can see, there's nothing attached to this wand from any side, you see? I can run my hands through clear. Okay? So I'm rolling this just to test that nothing's attached. There's no glue, nothing. And it freely moves in my palms. Now let me show you the trick. A magic trick. The magic is working. And look. You see the magic? The wand is not coming out of my hand. It's stuck. You see, it's not falling down. Awesome trick, right? How is this wand sticking to the hand? Now I'm gonna reveal the secret of the trick. So once again, let's see the magic. There's nothing above, nothing under. Wow! Alright, as you can see, it's stuck again. Let me show you. Wow! Now you can see what is stopping it. But for the viewers, it appears as if the wand is stuck to the hand. So let me show you step by step how to do this. So the wand is in your hand. Keep it parallel to the thumb. There's nothing above, nothing under. Then while flipping the right hand, the index finger needs to go on the wand like this. And the hand goes on the wrist like this. So it appears like the wand is stuck and is not coming off the hand. You see? Isn't that awesome? And yes, the index finger with which you're holding the wand should not be visible through the fingers. So keep your fingers together like this. Of course, that's gonna spoil the trick. Try it at home and have fun. Be the magician. Yay!